Welcome to this IELTS academic writing tutorial. In this video, I'll analyze the question type and essay structure, share a band 6.5 sample essay, and summarize key phrases and practical tips to help you write your own essay. At the end, I'll point out how to improve this essay and achieve a higher score. Check the first comment for the PDF link. Let's get started. Question.
Some people think that work is the most important thing in people's life. Without the success of a career, life becomes meaningless. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
Question type. Before diving into the structure, let's first analyze the question type. This is a "to what extent do you agree or disagree" question. It asks for your opinion on a statement. You don't have to fully agree or disagree. You can partly agree. It allows you to consider both sides and explain how much you agree or disagree, supported by reasons and examples. Structure. There are 3 parts to this essay: introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, and conclusion paragraph. First, let's start with the introduction paragraph. In this part, we begin by paraphrasing the question to show that you understand it. For example, we might say, "Some people think that work is the most important thing in life, and without success in a career, life is not meaningful." Next, we state the main idea of the essay. Since we are partly agreeing, you can say, "Career is important, but family and hobbies are also very significant." Next, we move on to the first body paragraph. This paragraph is where you explain the reasons why you agree with the statement. Start with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea for this paragraph. Work is very important in people's lives. You can support this with 2 points. Firstly, work provides money and supports the family. Secondly, work gives a sense of achievement and personal satisfaction. Then, in the second body paragraph, we explain why we think there's more to life than just work. Again, we start with a topic sentence that gives the main idea for this paragraph. However, there are many other important things in life besides work. You can support this with 2 examples. Example 1. Family and friends provide emotional support and fulfillment. Example 2. Hobbies and personal interests bring joy and balance to life. Finally, let's look at the last part of the essay, the conclusion paragraph. Here, we briefly summarize the main points. Career provides financial stability and a sense of success, but it is not the only aspect of life. Then, we restate the opinion. Therefore, I believe that work is important, but it is not the most important thing in life. Now let's go through the sample essay.
Some people think that work is most important in life, and without success in career, life is not meaningful. I partly agree with this opinion, but I also think that other things like family and hobbies are also very important. On the one hand, work is very important in people's life. If a person doesn't have a job, they cannot buy food, pay for a house, or afford other basic needs. Without a stable income, life becomes difficult and survival is hard. Also, having a good job gives people a sense of achievement and purpose. When someone gets promoted or earns a high salary, they feel proud and respected by society. Because of this, many believe that without career success, life has no true meaning. On the other hand, there are many things in life besides work. For example, family and friends are also important. Some people have good jobs, but they feel lonely because they do not spend time with their loved ones. Moreover, hobbies and personal interests make life more enjoyable. A person who enjoys sports, music, or traveling can have a happy life even if they are not very successful in their career. In conclusion, while career success is important because it provides money and success, it is not the only thing that gives life meaning. Family, friends, and hobbies are also important for a happy and fulfilling life. Therefore, I believe that work is important, but not the most important thing in life.
That's the end of the sample essay. While the essay is well structured and covers all required aspects, there are several areas for improvement to achieve a higher score. Below are suggestions along with examples. 1. Provide more specific examples. Current issue. The examples in the essay are fairly general. Specific, detailed examples would make the essay more engaging and convincing. Improvement example. Instead of, for example, family and friends are also important. Use, for instance, research shows that people with strong family ties often report feeling more fulfilled even without career success. Instead of, a person who enjoys sports, music, or traveling can have a happy life even if they are not very successful in their career. Use, for example, a passionate musician or athlete may find fulfillment in their hobbies, even if they do not achieve fame or financial success. This shows that personal joy and satisfaction can come from non-career pursuits. 2. Enhance vocabulary resource. Current issue. The vocabulary is appropriate but somewhat repetitive, particularly with terms like important and success. Varied word choices can demonstrate a broader lexical range. Improvement example. Instead of, work is very important in people's life. Use, work plays a crucial role in people's lives. Instead of, work gives a sense of achievement and purpose. Use, a fulfilling career provides individuals with a sense of accomplishment and personal fulfillment. 3. Deepen analysis. Current issue. While the essay explains reasons and provides some supporting points, it could benefit from deeper insights into why these factors are significant to people's lives. Improvement example. Instead of, a stable income is necessary for survival in today's world. Use, a stable income is essential for financial security, allowing individuals to afford basic necessities such as food, shelter, and healthcare. Without it, the stress of financial instability can lead to poor mental health and hinder one's overall well-being. 4. Strengthen cohesion with advanced linkers. Current issue. The essay lacks some link words in the body paragraph, and adding more can make it smoother. This will help ideas connect more naturally and improve the overall readability. Improvement example. In the first body paragraph, we can add linking words to make it smoother, such as because, for instance, as a result, moreover, for example, and consequently. Here's a quick summary of phrases from the essay that you can use in your own writing when discussing this topic.
Afford other basic needs without a stable income. Gives people a sense of achievement and purpose. Feel proud and respected by society. Make life more enjoyable. A happy and fulfilling life.
That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope this video helps you improve your IELTS writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next video.